At 2:40 a.m. this morning, detectives apprehended Leibby Aaron at his residence at 466 East 2nd Street in Brooklyn, where he made statements implicating himself in the death of 8-year-old Leibby Kleztky, and where remains believed to be those of the missing boy were found by detectives in a refrigerator in the suspect's third-floor attic apartment, and in a dumpster on 20th Street between 4th and 5th Avenues in Brooklyn, wrapped in black plastic garbage bags inside of a red suitcase. Leibby went missing Monday afternoon after he failed to meet his mother at 13th Avenue and 50th Street. His parents had agreed to let him walk by himself the 7 blocks from his day camp at the Yeshiva Boyden School. He was seen on video leaving the school at 5:05 p.m. Monday. 35 minutes later, Leibby was in a 1990 Browne Honda Accord with Leibby Aaron, who subsequently brought the boy to his apartment, killed him there, and then dismembered the body, according to statements that he made. In various videos obtained by detectives during their canvasses Monday and Tuesday, Leibby appeared to be lost. Instead of walking to 13th Avenue and 50th Street, Leibby continued along 44th Street until he reached 18th Avenue, where he encountered Aaron and asked him for directions. There is no indication at this time that the victim was known to the suspect previously. It was just happenstance and a terrible fate for this young boy.